Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach, and happy
everyone.
Wednesday to you.
Happy Wednesday, Randy Dawn and a marathon coach Wednesday.
We happen to be in the parking lot here at Marathon in Florida, and we see this beautiful 06 marathon that just came in. So we wanted to get the word out to you, and we'll take you on a little tour of this coach.
Yeah, I want to give you a quick tour. It's an H345 double slide, 97,000 miles. The owners of this coach moved into another marathon coach in 2018, so we're super excited for them. They've done a lot of upgrades, so this is a great coach. It's not very often that we get something of this age to sell, and we're excited to have that because it's in a great price point. Still comes with a 6-month bumper-to-bumper warranty, which is huge. So super excited to show this to you, and if you're in the market for a coach like this, feel free to reach out.
Here's just a little glimpse of the outside. Again, it's an 06 double slide.
So we're standing in the Salon of the 06 H345, and something a little different about this one. It's not really a desk. What would you call it, Dawn?
Yeah, I think more like a credenza.
Credenza?
Yeah.
So many people working on the road nowadays. This could be a huge benefit because not only do you have a lot of working space looking out the window, which is really nice, but you can see the storage that you have here. Just tons. And then this bottom one is actually a filing cabinet. So super nice, lots of files. And then you actually have some smaller drawers here.
There is a lot of
space. Yeah, a lot of storage there.
If you're running a business, or even if I was just thinking while you were showing that, you know, for the women in your life, if they like to do crafts, or a lot of women
puzzles.
make beautiful jewelry. I mean,
Think
you know, when you have a coach, you don't always have to be social.
No,
you
that's
can,
true.
you know, still have a hobby.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. And then once again, storage behind here, storage here.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's just, and then here. So, there's the slide control. I was looking for that.
Let's take a closer look.
Yeah.
That's unique. That's not going to get pushed accidentally.
Yeah, there's one in the back, but I thought, where's the front one? I almost called the old ner and said, hey, Mark, where's this controller? Now I know where it is. So
that's fun.
Yeah, and then kind of the cool thing, even so in 06, you know, kind of the same design as our brand new coaches with the same J booth, cabinets above, drawers below, still has a dishwasher. Great counter space.
That's a great curve.
Great counter space. And the colors, I mean, kind of timeless colors here.
It's a pecan color.
Is it pecan?
Mm-hmm, I think so.
You make me hungry. So you can just see great galley here.
I'm going to try and zoom out a little bit, and there we go. That might give our viewers a better view. I had that up so close, so now you can see the flow of the coach as we walk through it. There we go.
And this one has a really wide, I mean, you can tell by how wide this door is.
Yeah.
How big this pantry is. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different slide outs here. So that's really nice. And then you walk into the mid bath. You know, not a whole lot different than some of the new coaches.
Well, it's a good floor plan, and
it's a great floor plan.
Let's just take a look here before you go on. You're on the move today. I got to catch up. It's beautiful tile in the back. Very nice bathroom.
Yep. Showers there.
Okay.
And then some more storage. Great place for towels.
Oh,
right. You know,
I'm telling
here.
you, I've heard so many times.
Towels here.
We need a little pantry for our towels and sheets, and that is perfect.
Then we move into the bedroom.
It does have the vanity.
Yep, has the vanity. You know, some people think that's a little crazy, but it's a great use of space. Is what it is. It's a great use of just putting in the corner, a little seat there, like a makeup thing. Got more storage here, storage there.
I like that you mentioned the makeup thing.
Yeah.
That's nice. You're in tune.
In tune. And then this is a little different. Now I'm sure you could change this if you wanted to. I don't know if this was for shoes, but then you have a lot of drawers here. So
believe me, women can get very innovative with
space. To go in there.
Absolutely.
Storage above. Now these are quite wide.
Wow.
Coach is in great shape.
It's beautiful.
And then for an 06, this is another thing I love. Washer dryers back here.
Ah.
And look at how big this closet is. I mean, you've got full width of the bus. Then you got this. Tons.
Let's take a closer look here.
Tons of storage
So
there.
it's all hanging.
Yep.
And then, yeah, what's in the lower
The audio-
cabinet?
the audio
Oh,
stuff.
perfect.
Not much different than we do today.
No? But handy, right
Handy.
there.
Yep. So,
All right, we're gonna,
yeah, we'll do our normal walk back this way.
yes, back to front. I'll
Back
go
to
ahead
front.
here. So again, your bathroom's on the left, shower on the right, fridge on the right, large pantry on the left. We pulled the shades down, or I shouldn't say pulled them down, we had them go down. Of course, they're all electronic. This is a cute pillow, I want to show you this. It's fun.
Yeah, show them the cockpit. I know you kind of came
Alright.
from that way, but
Yeah.
I mean, for an 06, very good condition.
Yeah, it is. It's amazing. Marathon uses the most wonderful leather. No matter how often you're driving your coach or riding in your coach, the seats seem to just last forever. They do not wear out easily. All right, and there we are.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed this tour of the 06 Coach 964. And if you're in the market for a coach, either a 06 or something newer, feel free to reach out to Dawn or I, or any of the sales consultants, either in Oregon, Texas, or here in Florida. So, and just keep watching Randy Dawn in a Marathon Coach.